So today I'm going to talk about a report named Global E-Business Education in Meeting the Needs of Network Economy. So my full name is Saranchana Apipatharakon. I'm from IELM. So for the introduction, in recent years, e-business has significantly changed the way industries operate. Many companies now rely on digital technologies, online platform, and global network to manage their operation, communicate with partners, and deliver products or service to customers. Because of this rapid development, the role of engineer is also changing. Engineers today are expected not only to have strong technical knowledge, but also to understand digital system, data, and global collaboration. This means that they must develop new skills to work effectively in modern digital environments. However, a traditional education system may not fully meet the needs of today's industries. Many universities still focus mainly on theoretical knowledge, while industries require more practical skills, digital competencies, and problem-solving abilities. Discussion of e-business trend and challenge in the EU and US. During the dot-com era, e-business grew rapidly and many companies began moving their business online to reach global markets. However, after the dot-com crash, companies realized that they need more realistic and sustainable business model in order to succeed in the long term. As e-business continued to develop, companies also started offering a standard product which combine product with service and additional benefit to better meet customer expectation. At the same time, there are also differences in how e-business develop across regions, such as in the EU and US. These trends show that industries are become increasingly digital and globally connected. Because of this, industrial engineering education needs to adapt to prepare engineers with the skill required for the global network economy. Key skill and process for e-business in IE. E-business in organization usually involves several important systems such as enterprise resource management, business intelligence management, e-commerce, supply chain management, and customer relationship management. This system helps companies manage resources, analyze business data, coordinate supply chains, and maintain relationship with customers. To successfully develop e-business system, there are three main processes. The first process is design. In this stage, companies create the architecture of the solution, design how the system will work, and select the appropriate digital platform. The second process is implementation, where the system is developed, customized, and integrated with existing company system. The final process is introduction, where the company tests the system through pilot projects, roll it out to the organization, and provide support for the user. Overall, this process shows the industrial engineers need not only technical knowledge, but also skill in system design, digital integration, and business process management in order to support e-business in modern organization. Adopting e-business provides many important benefits for companies. So first, it helps improve efficiency by using digital system to manage operation and business process more effectively. Second, companies can gain a competitive advantage because they can reach more customers and respond to market change more quickly. E-business also improves the customer experience by providing convenient online service and better communication. In addition, it enables faster transaction and more flexible pricing strategies. Automation also plays an important role as it reduces manual work and helps business operate more effectively. Challenge for education in e-business. So first, engineers need to understand the development of extended product and service, which means combining physical product with digital services. Second, education needs to include enterprise and product modeling as well as simulation, so students can design and manage digital business system effectively. Another challenge is collaborative business and enterprise network. Engineers must learn how to work with different organizations and partner in a global digital environment. Finally, distribute innovation and change management are important skills because companies must continuously adapt to new technologies and digital transformation. The requirement for the GEM course. First, the course focuses on how students learn, not only what they learn. Instead of only listening to lectures, students are encouraged to learn through activities, stimulation, and practical exercise. This helps them understand how to apply their knowledge in real business situations. Another important aspect is preparing students for the future workplace. Engineers today often work with people from different countries and disciplines, so they need skills in teamwork, digital communication, and working in online or virtual environments. Finally, the course also strengthens key industrial engineering knowledge related to digital business system. This includes understanding of how companies design, product and service together, manage digital supply chain, and collaborate across different organizations. Overall, the goal of this course is to prepare students not only with technical knowledge but also with the skill needed to work effectively in a modern global network economy. So this shows the step of simulation game used in the course to help students understand how e-business work in a real business environment. The activity started with the product design and development where students create a product idea and think about how it will be produced. Next, students move to the production stage where they collaborate with other teams that act as a supplier or partner. This helps stimulate how companies cooperate within a business network. After that, the product is sold through digital business platform, allowing students to experience how online tools and e-business systems are used to reach customers. Finally, students consider the end of the life stage of the product where they decide how the product will be recycled or managed after it is no longer used. Overall, the stimulation games help students understand the full product life cycle and how e-business systems support each stage. So to conclude, there are several important lessons that I learned from this topic. So first, e-business is significantly changing how industry operate around the world, especially in areas like manufacturing and supply chain management. Many business processes are now supported by digital system and online business platform. Because of this change, industrial engineers need to develop new type of skill, not only technical engineer knowledge, but also an understanding of digital business system, intricate supply chain, and collaboration across global network. Another important lesson is that the way we teach and learn engineer also need to involve more interactive methods such as stimulation and practical activities can help students better prepare for a real-world business environment. Overall, adapting both skill and learning approach is essential for preparing engineers to succeed in the modern digital economy and in the present day. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation.